My back is All right, guys, welcome back to the house channel. We have me, 2 fingers, Kris, 9-pound ball, 1 finger. We're bowling 1v1. I'm assuming 15 pounds is going to win, but we'll see. Stay tuned.
Probably not. I'm just better.
Don't disagree with that. Are you ready?
I'm ready to kick your butt with a 9-pound house ball.
I just feel like it's not fair that I'm using a 15-pounder, but I also feel like life's not fair sometimes.
Yeah, exactly. You're left-handed. Hook. 7.
The right-hander bucket.
Yeah. I hope every spare is on the left side.
I hope they are too. What? It's not like my ball's going to be hooking.
I'm looking for a big 0 here.
I'm not getting 0 on any of my shots.
Oh, I was hoping you would.
I was way too
5
confident.
there.
I thought that was like all 3 of them guaranteed.
I like the confident walk.
Yeah, as he almost misses it.
It's because my shirt says spares on it.
Let's just try to hit the head pin.
He's got some backwards rep rate. Wow.
Man, it's like I've done this before.
I'm
Two-handed, you only need 1 finger.
That's what she said. I'm pretty impressed what you can do with 1 finger.
Hey, you know, we'll let you guys think about that in the comments down below.
I think that I'm aiming at a certain pocket. I'm just aiming at the head pin. I'm looking directly at the head pin.
Gotta pick a target.
And if I hit either side of it, I'm good.
Uh-oh.
Damn. I almost got 0 like we talked about I wasn't gonna do.
Yeah. Oh! Sorry, I slipped in the gutter. Because it's the wreck.
Mark a 0. Mark it 0.
Fouls don't count here.
What's that movie? The Big Lebowski.
I've never seen The Big Lebowski, so.
I think it's that one. I can't believe you haven't watched The Big Lebowski.
I've watched Kingpin, though.
What is wrong with you people?
Oof.
Oh my
I almost
God.
missed it. I hit it all 3. Unless we start counting fouls, I feel pretty good about keeping it on the lane.
So here comes a 4-bagger? From me?
Number 1.
Off my hand, I thought that was a strike. Per your suggestion, I picked a board to look at.
I should stop coaching while
I
I'm
hit it.
bowling competition.
Oh my.
All right, I made an adjustment and missed.
You left the same spare, just 1 set of pins over. This one's a miss. This one's a miss. Nah. Oh, you actually made the 6 pin on the ricochet. You said you were gonna miss the 6 pin. You said you might miss the 6 pin on the ricochet. You actually made it on the ricochet. Let us know down below in the comments if you want Kris Prather to join our coaching group. I'm sure there's gonna be 1,000 yeses. Oh, I need that to fall.
If you ever learn how to trip 6 pins, I'll join your coaching.
Dang it. This one's a make all day.
Missed those on TV before.
Ooh.
It's the price you pay for 9 pounds.
That's the 9-pound hit right there.
That is the 9-pound hit right there. What's up? Oh, I made it. Did you guys have your hands up? Because I definitely thought you did. Especially Matt. You guys can't see him, so he definitely had his hand up.
This camera's too goddamn heavy.
Why are you trimming grips in the middle of our video?
Because per Kris Prather, this is illegal. So I'm trying to fix my illegal bowling ball, okay? Not only did I trim the grips, I pulled an absolute hack job on the grips. And now I can't hold on to it. Oh! I was legitimately thinking on my way up there that I've picked the same target every time, but I literally have stood in a different spot every single time. So I was like, oh, like, you're looking at 27, that's perfect. And I was like, this angle does not look right. It's because I literally haven't lined up one.
Uh-oh, that might leave.
Damn.
Needed it.
It's crazy because I've coached a couple kids, and the younger kids, a lot of times, like, they'll just go, they'll like stand where it looks right, and I tell them, like, first thing I look for, I'm like, do you know where you stand?
And then the next one's gonna be, do you know where you slide?
Because you can't move if you don't know where you started.
Yep.
That's a strike.
Oh, see, you learn how to do
6.
that. I'll join the coaching. I did notice that you were throwing it with your pointer and middle.
I need to trip those.
You trip those. You trip those, I'll teach you guys how to trip.
You ever just throw a bowling shot and just hate yourself immediately?
Yeah. Every time you don't trip a 6-pin.
That's me every time I leave anything. Gotta wipe my ball off. Why? I don't know.
Yeah, pre-shot routine.
Oh!
Gotta back up.
I'm not getting 0 on any of my shots.
Question, guys. How many shots do you think it would take you to hit a pin and not knock it over? Comment it down below.
A lot. One. One shot. I did say that I was gonna hit a pin every time. Okay, I just said I wasn't gonna get 0. I know I got 0. Okay.
Oh no!
Kris is keeping us in the match.
Bounce! Oh, and then I get the 1?
I still think you're making it in 2 shots.
Jeez. So close. This one's another toughie. I mean, this one's a toughie when you throw it normal too. So.
This is toughie. I would only say because I haven't thrown this one yet.
Switching it back up to the other fingers.
Probably shot more of those than I have, like just flinging it down there at 7-10.
Do you throw it with those 2 fingers all the time?
Yeah.
Really? Oh.
If I was to shoot it at 7-10 and I like needed to make it, I would literally do that.
Oh. Don't split.
Oh my God, he's opened the door for us.
Scrub. I kind of expected Packy to have more opens, and as soon as he made that 7-pin, I'm just like, ooh.
I have a lot of opens. I literally don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, but you made the 7-pin. That's like your toughest spare.
Not the loaf.
No, not
The
the
fi-
low.
the
You
5
should have just
count?
thrown a strike shot at that. I don't know why I got those. Loaf again? How does That's the advantage of 15 versus 9 right there. You get the 6-10 out of the big 4.
Oh. Wow,
2.
like, you see it back up a little bit?
Yeah.
I certainly thought that was none.
I also thought it was none. I was hopeful for a second.
How did I wiggle the 6-pin? That's 10.
How's it down again?
The door is open.
I know it doesn't really look like it, but I'm moving, guys. I'm trying to change the angle a little bit. I'm just too good at repeating shots, even the bad ones.
Crowd favorite, Brent Bowers.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh no.
I think a trip 4 does just as good as a trip 6, you know what I'm saying? He is crumbling under the pressure. How come when I bowl these amateurs, they're all extremely high level. I bowl like garbage, then I bowl you. You just brought out the best.
Oh, I missed it all.
Oh my God, he's crumbling.
This is like a flashback to like the U.S. Open at North Rock Lane.
I did mention that. Missing a 6-pin
Missing the
to
6-pin?
lose, right?
Oh, no. Okay.
I think you're still in a good spot. Make the spare. Yeah. Oh, clutched up.
I literally just split him right in half. I need
8 to lock it up, 7 to leave the potential for the tie, which would be an insane ending. I wonder how many takes it would take for me to throw a triple.
I don't know.
Right now. Because you're going to get 5. Oh, wow.
Good luck, Kris.
All right.
I was gonna try and clutch up and, you know, big time celebration, but I'd rather you feel like you lost than me feel like I won. All I'm saying is ever since I shaved those grips, you haven't made a spare. Oh. Oh. Kris, what a bummer.
I know. God, that would have been such an epic ending to the video.
If you
You
doubled
losing to a
win.
9-pound ball.
I know. Your score was about the same two-handed.
Yeah, it was higher.
It was higher. Thank you guys for watching episode 2 of Packy beating Prather's ass.
It's all right.
When we bowl like idiots.
Yeah.
What should we do next time? Just let us know down below, and also
Pull stick?
let us know if you want Prather to join our coaching group.
He's got to learn how to trip sixes.
Unless all of you comment that he should join. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Yeah, how do you guys feel about our fingering skills?